Hi guys, welcome back to the Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make garlic spinach. Okay, for this we're going to need is 1 pound of spinach and about 3 teaspoons of garlic. Now the reason I make this thing is it's always a good addition to have without any mashed flavor in it, just garlic and this. We used to go to this popular Houston restaurant called Luby's and they used to have it as a side. And I remember going to that restaurant and always getting that as vegetables, and it goes accompaniment with any food, any sauce. It's really great to have, and plus it's very healthy. Okay, now our pan is nice and hot. You don't want to add too much oil to this. You want to just toast the garlic lightly so that the flavor of the garlic goes well into the spinach, because the spinach is going to wilt really fast in the oil or in the water. Okay, so now we got enough garlic here. Slowly add the spinach and just saute it. It becomes small. And gradually add the rest of the spinach into it now. You don't need to add any water or anything to this because this will all wilt and it leaves its own water, so you don't want to add any water to it. And that's it. Just move this around, and now if you want to add some butter more, it's good, but it's better with olive oil. And here we go. So just move it around to all the butter or the garlic envelopes all the spinach properly. Look how small it becomes. You don't have to do anything to it. So here we are. If you want to add salt, you can add salt to this, but I'm not going to add salt to this because I'm going to use this to make my nice chicken sagwala, so which is spinach chicken. So here you are. So everything's wilted high and it's all done now. Voila, yes, our garlic spinach. Always have this recipe, always have it in your pantry or in your fridge. It's always good to eat spinach fresh. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!